Hello guys, in this video we will see how to access Lorex in a remote viewing setup step by step. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect. Number 2. Network and verify connectivity. Content physically connect your Lorex number to your home or office router using an Ethernet cable power on the number and complete any initial setup prompts including setting a strong administrator password access. The number's main menu navigate to network settings often under TP or Ethernet and ensure it has successfully obtained an IP address. Submit mask and default gateway from your router. Verify that the number shows an online or connected status, indicating it has internet access. If not, troubleshoot your network cables or router settings. Step: download the Lorex app and create account. Content on your smartphone or tablet, iOS or Android. Download the appropriate Lorex mobile application. For most current Lorex owners, this will be the Lorex Home app. For some older models, it might be Lorex Cloud or Lorex Client. Once installed, open the app and proceed to create a new Lorex account. This typically involves providing an email address and setting a secure password, which will serve as your login credentials for managing your devices remotely.
Step: add your number to the Lorex app. Content log into the Lorex app using your newly created account. Tap on the Add Device or plus icon to begin adding your number. The app will usually prompt you to scan the device code, which is located on a sticker on top side or bottom of your number, or sometimes within the number's local interface main menu. Network purposes. If scanning isn't possible, manually enter the device and follow the on-screen instructions to name your number and input the number's administrator password when prompted.
Step: enable cloud services on the number. Content access your Lorex number's local interface via a connected monitor and mouse. Navigate to the main menu, then go to Network and look at the PUP or Cloud Services section. Ensure that the PUP function is enabled. Verify that the status displayed for the PUP connection shows online or connected. This indicates that your number has successfully established a secure connection to the Lorex Cloud servers, which is essential for remote access without complex router configurations like port forwarding. Steps: test remote viewing functionality. Content with the number added to your Lorex app and the PUP status confirmed as online. Open the Lorex app on your mobile device. From the main device list, select the name of your number. The app should now display live video feeds from your connected security cameras. To confirm true remote access, disable Wi-Fi on your mobile device and switch to cellular data or connect to a different Wi-Fi network entirely, not the one your number is connected to. If you can still view your camera feeds, the remote viewing setup is complete and successful.